How to add or remove the calendar, month, and today widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, go to the screen page that you want to add in the widget. Now this widget is kind of in the middle of the way, so I'm going to drag it to the top to make some more space for the other widget. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Widgets. Next, we scroll down and expand the calendar section. Scroll down and then drag the month and today widget. So touch and hold, then drag it to the home screen and let's go. And to customize the widget, simply touch and hold onto the widget. Then tap on Settings. In here, you can choose the background color of the widget. You can also change the transparency of the widget and then tap on Saved. And that's it. So that is how you can add your calendar, month, and date and event widget to the home screen. To delete it, simply touch and hold, then tap on Remove. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.